Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Crown. Crown means headdress worn by monarch. For example, a congressman brought the crown on a velvet cushion. A congressman brought the crown on a velvet cushion. Synonyms: coronet, diadem, tiara.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. A congressman brought the crown on a velvet cushion. Now, repeat after me. A congressman brought the crown on a velvet cushion. The second exempli. His golden crown, laden with jewels, sat on his chest. Now, repeat after me. His golden crown, laden with jewels, sat on his chest. The third exempli. Her vivid jade eyes matched the emeralds that decorated her crown. Now, repeat after me. Her vivid jade eyes matched the emeralds that decorated her crown.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The following sentence contains all 26 letters of the alphabet. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence is often used to test typewriters or keyboards.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.